Welcome to Contracting Conversations. My name is Jim Valley, and I am joined by my co-host, Scott Williams. Today, we are continuing our discussion with DAU's Contracting Director, Mr. Kevin Linden, who has been involved from the very beginning on developing with the services and Fourth Estate the new contracting certification construct for the DoD contracting workforce. Well, welcome back, Kevin.
Thank you, Jim.
Yeah, this is our part 3, right? So
Yes.
This time we're going to talk about the credentials, which is a key part and very unique to what compared to what we've done in the past. So give us an idea of what is the contracting credentials all about.
So where certification ends, which is initial readiness, the contracting credentials start. So I like to use an iceberg analogy. The certification, the tip of the iceberg, which you see above the surface is certification, but that's just the tip. Underneath it is your credentials, is your career-long learning, that elective learning that you want to go out and learn. Say you're in cost and pricing. Maybe there's a credential in business foundations or another type of credential that you want that will help you in cost and pricing. So the DoD Contracting Functional Integration Team, they've identified about 30 areas, 30 possible credentials that we could have in contracting. And these credentials can range construction, contingency, there's multiple cost and pricing, contract admin, there's small business professional credentials. So there's going to be a slew of credentials that we offer that have these assets that you can take to help you on your job right now. And this is supposed to be throughout your career to help you learn, get into the weeds, get into the details of what these specific job functions do. And that's the hope that these credentials will cover.
Hey, Kevin, I've got a question for you. When I'm out there selecting from the credentials that are available in contracting, you understand I'm not alone in that process, but could you touch on the importance of my supervisor's involvement in helping me select which credentials I may want to take?
Yes, so your supervisor should be heavily involved in you selecting certain credentials. So if you're in construction and you're going after an industrial contract property credential, that may not be a good fit for you. So again, you want to work with your supervisor and your individual development plans to set out what credentials are good for you in the job that you're currently working. And you could also look and talk with your supervisor about what credentials in the future, as you progress, that you would want to seek out that can help you. So, two kind of areas, what you want to do, what's relevant right now for you, and then what you and your supervisor think that you'll need in the future.
Thanks, Kevin.
All right, thanks.
Another quick follow-on I just thought of, Kevin, is the actual shelf life of a credential, understanding that, once I complete a credential, understand it's not something that I have in my bag forever in my career, but there may be a point in time where I need to renew that credential. Is that true?
That is true. So once you get your credential, it will last either 3 to 5 years. So in the DAUI catalog or Cornerstone On Demand, it'll tell you how long each individual credential will last. And then I believe it's within a 6-month time period, you'll be notified, hey, your credential is expiring. This is what you have to do to renew it. And this is the time period you have to renew your credential. So there might be another asset that you have to take, whether it's an online training or instructor-led training or something else that you'll have to take to renew and keep your credential going moving forward.
Thank you, Kevin. And I really appreciate you spending some time talking with us today about the importance of credential, importance of having supervisor involvement, and kind of what the whole concept of a credentialing is all about. Jim, do you have any other questions you'd like to ask Kevin today?
No, I just want to make a comment. I can't say enough how important it is for supervisors to be involved. We're all supervisors, and having that discussion with your subordinate often to determine what their needs are for future skills is critical. So please, supervisors, do that for your people. That's all.
Absolutely. I think that's a great comment, Jim. As we understand it, learning is a lifelong process as we're in a contracting career field for hopefully quite a long time if you've chosen this path, and always want to expand our knowledge. So DU's got a lot of assets out there that can help us do that. And these credentials will be a real critical piece as we move forward into our professional education in the contracting career field. So thanks again, Kevin. This is our 3rd session we've had with you, and really appreciate you coming in and getting this word out. For folks out there, if you missed any discussions that we had with Kevin, go back and catch them where he talked about back to basics and the new contracting courses, really, really good sessions. If you haven't already, subscribe to our Contracting Conversations channel. Type any comments below to include any questions you might have for future podcasts that Jim and I can do. Spread the word of this channel to your peers and to those that you supervise and lead. Let us help you answer those questions, and we really look forward to having future contracting conversations with you.